running, you're only allowed to move 2 to 5 feet outside the doors. So if you're moving into the door, you stop it before you let go, so just go flying into somebody. So yeah, the goal is to get ready to move out of the cemetery. We're only 2 to 5 feet out over the purple lights on the back of the building. Head to your spots, head to your spots.
Just do it.
Yeah, for red team Charlie, blue team Alpha, head to your spots. We'll start on the whistle.
One goes all the way around that.
I think that's a nice safe bet.
Yeah, it gets them kind of coming in through here.
You can see some of that.
Yeah. Maybe I'll angle it a bit more that way. Yeah, just run straight to cemetery.
It's okay.
I'm not running. Cemetery, that's basically all we do. Hold cemetery.
Casual stroll.
Don't let them get the crates in. I think I got him. Man, how did that not hit him? Oh, we're holding this. Oh, this is gonna be boring gameplay. All I'm doing is sitting here. Oh, nice. Oh, sorry. I didn't know if he got hit.
MJ, we want you to switch teams.
Switch teams?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna swap this first. Dead man, walking away. Dim it. Hey, you don't have, hey, turn your light on. Turn your light on. Armband. Guy in white. All right. Or don't. Do you know where crates are? Do you know where the crates are?
I haven't been able to get more than one room away from it though.
All right. Let's go, Blue. Hey, we good to push? Only in the window? Woo! Someone push up. Are we good in here? Hey, keep them in here. Keep them in here. Keep them in here. Hey, one's going to the catwalk over there. Watch out. They're going catwalk. They're going catwalk. Fuck. Dead. and hustle back. Keep holding it, Blue. Are they watching the window?
Yeah, one on the right side and one on the left side.
All right, I'm gonna move into here. All right. Hey, I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm gonna cover the window. Hey, they're still on catwalk. See if you can find an angle over there. They're pushing in. They're gonna push in. They're gonna push in. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Fuck. Now we're bad. Hey, somebody cover my right. They're gonna come back around this way. Woo. Dead man, sorry. I'm gonna get out of here. We gotta hold them. Push. Push, Blue. Keep pushing, keep pushing. All right, we still have both crates in there. Hey, I'm pushing to there, so don't shoot. Ready? Good hit. Good flank, man. We still have crates, we still have crates. I can cover this window if you want to push in. I don't know if they're in there though. Good hit, good hit. Come on, guys. Push up. Oh. Damn it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Get it in. Good work, guys.
That was insane.
That was bullshit.
You guys had it for a long time.
Well, I immediately, once I switched, I grabbed red, put it in here, and I'm like, guys, we're holding this until the end of the game. Grab the green one.
You guys, dude.
Yeah.
It was back here, in this room, in that room, in this other room. I'm like, oh.
I don't know where everybody went. Like, they got hit, and then they just, like, never respawned. That was rough.
That was a good game.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I saw you sitting there, and I'm like, we're talking about who we can switch, because I'm like, I want him to at least get the crates close to the building.
Yeah.
And I'm like, this guy hasn't died at all this whole game.
Yeah.
He's holding it down.
Yeah.
We're going to switch one guy to make a difference. Were they both in or out?
They're both out.
They're both out?
Yeah.
That was great. I saw you were coming back. I managed to get in there and get them out. Nice job.
Yeah. That was a tough loss at the end. That last second.
Hey, you're really ready. Hard.
I know, that's what I was saying. I'm like, technically I didn't lose this game. Or a loss either way, depending on how you want to look at it.